In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money promoting Digistore products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So this product right here is a Digistore 24 product that's going to teach people how to make money online. As you can see right here, this is a system that's going to teach people how to make thousands online, and it works on all devices including mobile phone. And you can see these are the other features of this product right here. And if you scroll down to the very bottom of this page right here, you can see these are questions that people who want to make money online want to ask. As you can see right here, this is a 100% newbie friendly method. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to start making money promoting this product. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to digistore24.com, and it's absolutely free. If you don't have an account, all you just need to do is click on the sign up button and get your account created. So once you do that, you want to come over to the internet marketing and e-business section right here, and you want to scroll down until you find this product millionaire dollar replicator. As you can see right here, the product has a 4 out of 5 star ratings. Okay, so as you can see, this product is going to pay you $31.38 for every single sale you make for this product right here. All right, so what you want to do from here, you want to click on this link right here to grab your affiliate link, and once you paste that in a new tab, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And once your visitors come over to this page and they click on this get started right here and they purchase this product, you make $31. And don't worry, I am going to show you how to find the perfect people who are going to purchase this product right here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to reddit.com, and if you type in make money online in the search bar, you are going to see a lot of questions that have this keyword in them, and you are going to see the one that is asking how to make money online. And all you just need to do is to recommend this product to them, how it has helped you and how other people are making money with this product right here. As you can see, these people right here are making money with this product. As you can see, they are recommending this product. So basically all you just need to do is recommend this product to people who are looking to make money online. All right, you can see this is a question right here. Okay, if you ever search for how to make money online method, what method did really work and how would you recommend it to others? You can see this is a perfect question right here. All you just need to do, like I said, just recommend the product and how it has helped other people to make money online as well. Another thing you can do is you can come over to this time section and you can filter the search result to whenever you want it. You can change it to past week. This is going to help you see questions that was made a week ago. All right, and if you want a month ago, you can do that accordingly. As you can see right here, ways to make money online, the same thing. All you just need to do is come over to this comment right here and you want to recommend this product because a lot of people are interested in making money online. You can see, like I said, this is another question right here. What are ways to make money online? Popular ways to make money online. What is the easiest and cheapest legal way to make money online? Looking for ways to make money online. This one was asked one day ago, as you can see right here. So basically you are going to see endless questions asking about how to make money online if you come over to Reddit. The same thing applies to Quora as well. So if you come over to Quora.com and you type in the search bar make money online, as you can see, these are questions that are related to making money online. You can see these are endless questions that you can basically just answer every single day and get people to come over to this page right here, and I can guarantee you that some of them are going to purchase this product. So basically all you just need to do is get about 4 people to purchase this product every single day, and you've already crossed $100 every single day promoting this product right here. And another traffic source you can use is coming over to this website called trendy.com. As you can see, this is a make money online forum, and also you are going to see a lot of people who are asking questions about making money online on this platform right here. So basically if you come over to this make money category section right here, and if you click on that, you are going to see a lot of questions that people are asking on how to make money online. This platform right here is very, very active and it gets a lot of traffic every single day. As you can see, this question was made today. As you can see right here, this one also today, this one today, this yesterday. So basically you can come over here and reply these people and recommend this product to them. So basically that is how easy you can start driving traffic to this product right here. So what you want to do from here is very simple. So once you've copied your link, you want to come over to this website called cort.ly and you want to paste in your link right there and you want to shorten the link. Okay, so basically if you click on shorten, it's going to shorten the link for you right here. Another traffic source that you can use is YouTube Shorts. As you can see right here, all you just need to do is come over to YouTube and type in make money online plus YouTube Shorts. And if you type that, you can see this is someone right here who is making a short. So basically you can do the same thing right here. Just make a 60 seconds video talking about this product and how it has helped other people like these people, as you can see right here, to make money online. All you can do from here is to paste in the link in the description where people can click on the link, as you can see right here. Okay, you can see this is a very short video this person is making right here. The person is not even saying anything at all they are just doing is showing some text and their face on this video. And what you can do is come over to the description right here. You can see this person doesn't have anything in the description. So basically you can paste your shortened link in the description of the video right here, and you can make as many videos as you want for this product right here. So as you can see right here, this person has gotten over 100 views in just 5 hours. I can guarantee you that out of these 133 views, some people are going to get interested to check out what this person is trying to promote. And I can assure you that some of the people who click on the link are going to purchase the product because they are already interested in making money online. And if you stay consistent and combine the 4 traffic sources that I showed you in this video, which is the first one is trendy.com. This is a make money online forum where people want to make money online. And also if you use Reddit like I showed you as well, by coming over to the search bar and type in make money online and reply as many questions as you can find on make money online recommending this product right here. Okay, and also coming to Quora as well, replying these questions right here, and also making YouTube short video. I can guarantee you that if you keep at it and stay consistent, you are going to make passive income on Digistore 24. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.